This is Visual Paradigm. It is a professional diagram and software design tool used to create flowcharts, UML diagrams, ER diagrams, and other visual models. This guide demonstrates the download and installation process. Follow the steps. Open your browser. Go to the official website. Start the download. Open the installer. Browse the available categories to explore the tools and features included in the software. Each category is designed for a specific purpose, making it easy to create different types of diagrams, organize projects, and support various design and planning tasks.